To improve the audio quality of JBL Flip 7, there's a few things that you can try, and the first one would be to download JBL Portable app from the Google Play Store or any other store, which will allow you to customize few different settings. So first of all, we can adjust our equalizer, and here you can choose between different options like JBL Signature, Chill, Energetic, or Vocal. You can always go for a custom, which will also allow you to customize those settings manually using a bunch of different sliders. And next thing that you can try is to activate the playtime boost, which will reduce the battery consumption of your speaker and will also improve the loudness of that speaker. But this may actually make the speaker sound less perfect, so I would actually recommend to disable that and use the equalizer instead. Next thing that you actually need to do to improve that sound quality is to activate Bluetooth settings on your smartphone and then go to your JBL Flip 7 settings, and right here all the way to the bottom you'll be able to find AAC. We can activate it and this will provide you with high quality audio experience. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.